Good morning traders, CJ here. It's Tuesday the 2nd of February. I'm just doing a recap video on the first trade that I took in February on USDCAD. Unfortunately, it was a losing position, lost 1%. And, I should have stuck to my trading plan, and I was betting against my overall bias for the trend. As you can see on the daily, we are clearly correctively moving downwards, but I'm looking for that dollar strength, and I was expecting a push, or I am expecting a push up to at least the 1.30 key level, which you can see we've come into this and created a couple of swing lows on previous occasions. If I go down to the 1 hour, I'll just show you what I'm looking at. It's quite frustrating because, as you can see, we would now be in profit, but as you can see, got knocked out yesterday. And what I was looking for, as you can see on the hourly, there was a little bit of liquidity in this area, and when price came up to it on 2 attempts, we broke to the downside, and the second time we actually came that little bit lower. So as soon as we, and if I go to the 4 hour, you can see that 1, 2, 3 occasions we failed to sweep this liquidity and push to the upside. However, as you can see, when we entered, this 1 hour candle actually closed bullish rather than bearish, and that probably should have been an indication for me to get out at this stage, but I just thought that I would see how price would play out. I was expecting it to potentially stop in this region, create a second tap. As you can see, we had our impulse. This is just a correction, and I was expecting a push to the downside into this region before I'd be looking for my overall longs. And unfortunately, it didn't play out on this occasion. It looks like it broke the pattern. Might be retesting now, so we might potentially go from this area. We might continue to trickle down. Who knows? But yeah, quite a simple one. Unfortunately, should have closed when this candle closed, a body close above this area, because that would have been confirmation that price was going to push that little bit higher. As you can see, it pushed quite a lot higher, but it didn't break these highs here, and now we pushed down, and we would have been in profit. Not the best start to the month, but let's see what today brings. I hope everyone has a good trading day. Cheers, guys.